Dunklo Team Red Croc revives Peter Moore's 1985 classic with a luxe, street-ready twist. Designed exclusively for women, it pairs Team Red and dark Team Red tones with eye-catching metallic gold accents. The star detail, faux crocodile skin overlays, adds a premium touch, echoing custom Air Force One designs once found at Nike's iconic 21 Mercer store. Crafted from synthetic materials, it delivers high-end style at an accessible price. This mostly tonal makeup boosts the Dunk's streetwear appeal, potentially rekindling interest among fans who've moved on from the silhouette. Honoring the Dunk's 40-year legacy, it blends nostalgia with modern texture, ensuring relevance in today's sneaker scene. Though Nike.com hasn't confirmed the launch, the release is anticipated in early October. Bold yet versatile, the Team Red Croc stands as a fresh chapter for one of Nike's most enduring icons.